Good afternoon. It's been 2 weeks since I last did anything to my hair and I'm bored and I want to spice up my life by ruining my hair again. So this is the style. That's the picture I'm gonna essentially copy. So it's pink, purple, blue, and then I like that she has like blonde out. At the top I feel like it's more wearable and super cute. I'm gonna really try to section my hair. I'm not 100% sure in what order to do this. So the ends I've got Manic Panic, Rockabilly Blue, and then for the mids I've got Electric Amethyst, and for the top part I've just got hot pink. I've never done anything this bright, but I'm excited. I've also got 3 bowls to put the different colours in, and then I've got some old conditioner that I plan to mix with the rest of the pink when I've done part of it so that I can fade it to my roots a little bit better. So I think to start with I'm gonna section off my hair into as many different sections as I can. Oh, it says apply to freshly washed hair. I'm not applying it to the roots, so I don't think that really applies. Well, that's what I'm going to tell myself because I can't be bothered to go wash my hair. So actually I think the first thing I'm going to do is pour out some dye into each container. I've actually got 3 different brushes. I'm so prepared today. So I'm going to pre-mix the colour. Well, it doesn't really need mixing, but pre-pour out the colour so that I'm really prepared and I can work quickly. I could only find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. It's not very many sections, is it? Okay, I'm gonna find some more clips. I found 2 more and I'm satisfied with that. I now have 7 clips. So, I'm gonna really try to do this nice sections, but like so much of me just wants to grab random bits and start painting them. But I'm a professional. I'm gonna do this professionally. I'm so scared to begin. I can tell that I'm not gonna end up using the brush because it's like how there's no. Should I just leave it like that? Okay, I'm actually just going to mix some pink directly into this bottle of conditioner that I've just cut open because there's like none left. I don't want it to be so blunt that it looks like I made a mistake, so... Okay, I've now got some transitional pink. Right, that's all done now, and I'm gonna go leave it for half an hour. I'm gonna wrap it up as well in some plastic so I don't get it on everything. Oh my god. I love it so much. I'm so happy. That's so fun. It's kind of like business at the front, party at the back, but it's also quite a lot of party at the front. Thank you for watching. I had so much fun making this video, and yeah, just stay tuned for more random impulsive content.